Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Zillow Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zillow.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Zillow Mortgages. Now from the home page, click on the sign in button at the top section and you will be asked to enter your email address or use your social accounts. You can click on Continue with Apple, Facebook or Google if you use these to create your account. Or you can enter your email address within the email box, followed by your password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account on Zillow Mortgages right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Zillow Mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.